Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to link bank account with Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless, and currently I am using Western Union US account. So maybe the interface of your Western Union will be a little bit different. No need to worry about it in your Western Union. Look for profile icon. It is just next to this logout option. Tap on the profile icon. Here scroll down. And on the last you can see the option payment preferences. Tap on it and tap on option continue. In this section, you can add credit or debit cards. Here tap on the option bank accounts. Online banking. It means if you are using your bank application, then select your bank, and also you can also search for it and use your username and password. Manual bank entry. Tap on it. Here you can write your bank name manually if it is not available in that online section. That's for example, I am writing. After writing, you have to select your account type. I will select saving. After writing, you have to write the routing number. You can find this on the bank checkbook. And just for showing you, I'm tapping here. And here you can see this is the routing number. You can find it on your checkbook. After writing the routing number, here you have to write the account number. And on the last, you have to retype your account number. After tapping on that, tap on the option save. Then it will take a while, and after that time your bank account will be linked with your Western Union. So it was basic way by which you can connect your bank with your Western Union account.